Many equipment and device manufacturers use combination screws to provide a universal tool for customers with different preferences. The added flexibility is efficient, but tradesmen have found that since you can use either a Phillips or square tip, the fit for either isn't always the best, resulting in wobble. Klein Tools combination tip screwdrivers are specifically designed to fit the combination screws used on electrical devices and conduit fittings. Made in the USA, these combination tip drivers are precision machined and custom heat treated to withstand the torque needed to fasten all types of combination head screws. Available in fixed blade screwdrivers, impact rated power drivers, and Klein's new 11-in-1 screwdriver. Each features the iconic cushion grip handle for more comfort and better torque. Manufactured in the USA by Klein Tools and dedicated to the professional tradesperson since 1857.